to be frank, abemu we ose abasobo, osabasobo papa. Na me say aberemu bi abepiemu wo adum Kumasi PZ o. Ombo ni samrane say your friend Kwame Lighter. Na Kwame Lighter yi dwumadi a odi ni say, odi iPhone no, say emfa ho ne baabi a ade akọ, emfa ho ne nsuo mu atọ, emfa ho ne egia aguso na say phone no ahye dwure be krampa de fabra, obetutu no wasiesie no. Ana bebre na aka say, akoye dwuma ya o ye die, onye sure say duro bi hyase because phone na amanfo phone na be say ya be ko repair bia ho no ba ko na baabi obi okro timi di tu kwan ko Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, abako chi o man bia so phone enye yie no. Enya be di Kwame Lighter nko ansem a as like onyadi chese onyadi to nenima obiebie so ana yie. Na Kwame Lighter ya nwa asem a esan wo mu ni say ono nko ani nipa otimi diagnose phone o phone diagnosis chese if you see go minti bi mpoda ka me hu ka diagnosis den ka okọ wo yare na ka okọ yare sabia na nke di machines scanning machines na de coffee fa omu anse no wanya yare sa na so Kwame Lighter die ono ni die or specialist in phone na phone a otimi di hu dwuma nko an say iPhone so any iPhone ni die mfa hu ni coma ba the level of coma wa kwadru tese wo wu krampo obenya ne ho phone fa tu jam fa tu nsuom tese wo de tu jam na board na she krampa wo de du Kwame Lighter ni mo be de obesiesie phone na ma ho ana bibiri na ka say akwai enye dru no de ye na ono krampo na nche no Kwame Lighter am go so na kana say bibiri na so ka say oye youngest billionaire come to youth now mo repair phones nya da de obi no mo whisika sen no na ono krampo na nche opon sika wo nyina na adwuma amanfo free Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger nya da de be this phone ho nyina no oye obi a obuade oye humble guy obuade oye humble guy nti bibiri na the respect e de ema no upon luxury cars nya da de wotwu nyina no the respect emenipa eti Kwame Lighter American asem wo de mo ankasa mo enko hwe ni videos ni bi.
Hey guys, over here is an iPhone 15 Pro Max that a customer brought to me this morning. She said she was charging this phone. She normally charges it overnight, but this time around she smelled something burning. So she went into her bedroom and she saw her charger is in flames, and since then this phone is not turning on or charging. As you can see, reading from the charge arms, this phone is taking 0.6 amps, which means it's not drawing any current, it's not charging, and it's not turning on. Normally, a phone draws 2.6 or 1.6 amps for a normal charge, and that will help the phone boot up. But because it's not drawing any amps, it's not turning on and it's not charging. So here I'm tearing apart the phone, and I can already confirm someone has already worked on this phone. So we need to take the phone apart, pulling the motherboard out from the phone. Taking visual inspection, I can see someone already tampered with this phone. Somebody already tried to fix this fault. So I know I'm not the first person to touch it. There is a shield covering this area and it's gone, meaning someone tried to repair this phone. So we need to separate the board. These phones come with a board in a sandwich layer. Like there are two boards combined to make one full board. So we need to tear apart the board in order to work on the 40 components. Using microscopic view, I can see there is a lot of flags on the board. Someone already tried to fix this phone. I see there is a lot of solder flags on the chips, which means it has been worked on maybe more than twice. And the charging IC EEPROM has been replaced. The best solution to fix faults like this is to do a direct CPU transplant, because if this phone was easy fixable, it would have been fixed. It wouldn't come to me. So I do not attempt to repair these phones. I just transfer the CPU, the NAND, and the EEPROM to a known working board, and then I can have the phone working. So here this is me trying to pull the CPU out of the board. Pulling the CPU requires a great skill. And that is the CPU. This is the main brain of the phone. Now we need to remove the hard drive. That is the NAND IC, which contains every single document and every single data on the phone. This step is, now you can see, this step is me cleaning the CPU and preparing it for its new board. Now we reball those CPU and the NAND IC and they are ready to go. This is a side-by-side picture of the good working board and the customer's board. After putting everything together, we need to combine the boards back. So we put them back to the preheater to combine the two boards together. Now this is the working phone. Everything fixed successfully. Customer data saved. Phone back and working perfectly. Now phone drawing 1.6 amps. Perfect charging. This is a fix.
Someone kasa ngudi mweni yako hu videos ni bi. Ti nano kasa ene ne brof like ne brofo like chese wasanso ti brofo na phone no anwasem ne se chese eja na ode power no we ya no time na ode hunu me de minum omadwuma ne nesu momu de bet wo he otum za kwa no experience e wo na dwuma na nkasa ye de oye mu mesi enam bo yi modin bo ene na ho keka won na dwuma ne ade bu a obu enti no eye won abo Sam George Minister of Communication ankasa kra tonsa afre boy no e wo the office na mesi mum yanko bra Sam George Minister of Communication or tonsa Africa Kwame Lighter no mum yanko like enkitahudie a e call on in ntemo.
Is this a kid or a grown up? And what beats me is I said I want to invite him. So I called myself, I said buy him a ticket from Kumasi, let him come down. I want to ask him, is he an Ashanti? Because I didn't hear an R or L. What friend? This is nice to you a lot. It's an honor to meet you. Please come into my office. But you know him, right? That's Honnorable Sanda City, Eyewitness News.
In fact, now that I'm here, he should be on Upside Down with Freeman. I will make that arrangement.
Yeah, I mean, no,
are you a child or an adult?
I'm an adult.
How old?
It's 27.
I'm about 27 years old.
Are you for real? That was the age I got married. I hope you're married. Please tell me you're married. Wow, jeez. No, when you finish with him, I'll make an arrangement for you.
No, sure.
You'll be on TV, prepare.
Thank you.
You're welcome. God bless you. But I don't use iPhones. I'm not reading that way. Thank you.
Charlie, no me know say Africa had mo kromo your talent be say that be na plan so be say akoy mo ye sure say like oya kwala sa say the huni because so hwe ni facial way ni like the ositu na ne kasem ni ade ade no me omo nyini say nkro akoy oya kwala eti de yeslem me ye sure say Kumasi fon say de e hwe me say bia we obi a wonum Kwame Lighter ma ye hu say bia oya kwada ana so onya kwala na oya kwala chese experience we nyina okonye free fa because be na kasa o compare to other repellers or Ghana ha no mo na say akwai wakwaji edru anaso ye different crampo ntiatie for we dey anasa hwefo we dey slema ye beto amam na won so adwenkyere bia won so de aba